Let me show you what you can do in order to speed up and optimize Galaxy Tab A11. So the first thing that we can do is go through the app drawer, and you want to get rid of bloatware. We have some apps that can be considered as bloatware once you go through the initial configuration. Of course, I have my apps already installed, so there's more than the default amount of apps that we have after the initial configuration. But still, you want to probably go through certain folders and apps and you want to uninstall them if you are certain that you will never use them. This will definitely help you save some space, and in some cases it might also speed up the tablet. Besides that, we're gonna go to settings. We want to open settings. Over here on the left side, we're gonna scroll down until you find the device care option, and now we're gonna start by going to auto optimization. Over here we have auto restart option, which can be used if you are not bothered, if it's not inconvenient for you to have this option enabled. So you can restart, for example, the tablet, or turn on the restart when needed, so your tablet can automatically restart when performance issues are detected. However, of course, if that would be inconvenient, then you can try to use, for example, restart on schedule, and you can set up like a certain time at night when you are asleep, of course, and when you are not using the tablet. And besides that, in device care, we can also go to memory. From time to time, you want to visit the memory section over here in order to clean the memory quite easily with just a single button. As you can see, we are cleaning the memory, and this will definitely help you speed up the tablet, especially if you at a given moment have performance issues. Remember that you can also extend the RAM by going to RAM Plus. Over here we can use up to 8 additional gigabytes of RAM, and keep in mind that of course we need to restart our tablet in order to apply these changes. And yeah, and also remember about the battery saver. Of course, battery saver is a great tool that you can use from time to time. Actually, it is called power saving over here. And while it is a great tool to save the battery, it also, for example, limits the CPU speed to 70% if this option is enabled. So remember to not use this feature all the time. So if you have it enabled and you forgot about it, then of course you can turn it off in order to increase the performance of the tablet. And that is pretty much it. Also remember to go to background apps from time to time in order to close apps that are still running in the background. Sometimes over here in the upper left corner, I believe, we can find apps that are active all the time. So you might want to go over there and find out if you don't want to turn off certain apps that might be always running in the background. But that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.